Hi, boys and girls. So we haven't done Padlet in a while, so I thought I'd give you a little refresher. When you get here, you'll see the name of your Literature Circle book across the top. All 5 books are here, and we're starting with the same question for each. Who is your favorite character and why? Please be sure to write your name and then answer the question. Proofread to make sure your spelling, punctuation, and capitalization are correct. So let's say I'm reading Perlu the Bold, and I'm ready to make my response. I can go to the plus button underneath that column, click on it. Where it says title, I'm going to write my name. And where it says write something, I'll write my response. I find Perlu to be fascinating. Most people would like to be the leader of their group or country. I'm not sure most would, so I'm going to go back and change that to many. But Perlu is very conflicted about this. Ah, which keeps me wondering throughout the book how she will handle that in the end. Okay, and I'll proofread it. I see that Perlu's underlined in red, which indicates a spelling error, but since the dictionary here doesn't have a lot of proper nouns, particularly names in it, I'm not going to worry about that. I know I've spelled that correctly. So when it's your turn and you're ready, go to the column with the name of your book, click the plus button, write your name first, so we'll know who's posted, and then add your response. Once you do that, I'll get a message that you have posted, and I will need to approve your post before anyone else sees it, which I will do quickly. So have fun coming back and visiting and seeing what your friends in the class are saying about their books, particularly the people in your group.